Ever pondered how life would be, living on the moon? Imagine looking out your window and seeing Earth, suspended in the black void of space. Today we're taking a journey of imagination and scientific speculation. We're going to explore the fascinating process of building a house on the moon. The first step in this lunar construction project is choosing the right location. The moon's surface is far from homogeneous. There are craters, mountains, and vast plains known as maria. A flat, stable surface in the maria would make an ideal spot, but it's not just about flatness. We would also need to consider proximity to sunlight for power and temperature control, and potential resources like ice, which can be found in permanently shadowed craters. Next comes the design phase. A moon house wouldn't look much like a house on Earth. To withstand the harsh lunar environment, think extreme temperatures, meteorites, and cosmic radiation, we'd likely opt for a structure with a rounded shape, which is more resilient to these conditions. It would also need to be airtight, to hold in the oxygen, and insulated to maintain a steady temperature. The materials used in construction present another challenge. Transporting materials from Earth to the moon is prohibitively expensive, so we'd need to use what's already there. The moon's surface is covered in a kind of soil called regolith, which could be processed into building blocks or even used in a kind of lunar 3D printing. The construction process itself would likely be automated. Robots designed and controlled from Earth would do the heavy lifting. They'd assemble the structure layer by layer, much like building a house out of Lego blocks. Once the structure is up, we'd need to outfit the interior with life support systems. These systems would recycle air and water, control temperature, and manage waste. They would also need to be incredibly reliable, because on the moon, there's no calling a repairman. Finally, we'd need to power our moon house. Solar panels could harness the sun's energy during the 2-week-long lunar day. For the equally long lunar night, we'd need a backup power source, perhaps in the form of fuel cells or nuclear power. So, to summarize, building a house on the moon is a complex process. It starts with choosing the right location, followed by designing a house that can survive the moon's harsh environment. Then, we'd need to figure out how to use lunar materials in construction, likely with the help of robots. After the structure is built, life support systems would be installed, and then comes the task of powering everything. It's an immense challenge, to be sure, but as we push the boundaries of human exploration, who knows? One day, we might just find ourselves gazing out of our lunar living room window at the beautiful blue sphere we call home.